It is a soaking wet day here at Paultons Park, but have a look as we've come back to see what track work has been done. We have the very first upside down piece of track for the park, the first upside down ride, Drakon, and there it is, first inversion in. Now this is what leads down to the final turn down here, which we saw in our previous update round to the station. However, this isn't all they've done. They've actually started over the other side of the site as well. They are doing the track down the bottom there. So that comes from the first, well, I say the first drop, the drop out of the helix down and up around these supports here. And that is what they are now fitting. And you can see they are moving a bit of track into place. That's not all though. While they move that bit of track, we'll show you something else. There it is, the crest of the lift hill, the top piece, the crowning piece. I actually don't think it's going to be the last piece that goes in, but the crowning piece for Drakon is on site. I have a feeling now that all of the track might indeed be on site. And I think this will be up quicker than the 3-week mark they had. I wouldn't mind betting this will be up by next weekend. It is absolutely hammering it down here at Paultons Park, and I mean hammering it down. Honestly, they are still working in it. I've now got a wet foot from going in the puddle. I've just got a wet foot again because that puddle's a bit deeper than what I thought, but they are working on it. So we see the first upside down element for Drakon is in place, along with the top of the lift hill as well, which is fantastic. It really, really is fantastic. It's a short update. You can see the weather, and they're still working on the site, which is just incredible to see. It really, really is. Right, the park now closes in a couple of days, and I have a feeling by the time it reopens for the weekend event, bear in mind there is reduced ride availability if you're coming down. Rides go into winter maintenance before Christmas, and of course other rides as well over that period. So it's the last days of the season, but they are open right the way through till the new year as well, which is fantastic. We can't wait to get Ghostly Manor and Storm Chaser in over the Christmas period. But this will be up. I have no doubt about it. We will see the track up and it'll all be done. We won't be back here for a couple of weeks. I don't think it comes as any surprise to anyone. I've been burning the candles at both ends with updates from various parks, and I'm exhausted. And however much I love watching it, I am going on holiday. Probably not the best time to go on holiday when it's happening, because quite frankly I would love to stand here and watch it, but they won't be open during the week anyway, so you know, what can you do? I need a break. I'm going away for a couple of weeks. You'll see a few videos from our trip, but Drakon will be built and I'll be standing right here when I come back, and there'll be a lift hill and there'll be more upside down elements, and the whole landscape will have changed here at Paultons Park.